Hello.
Okay.
Good day, everyone.
Thank you for coming into this channel again, Live Signals with Precise Trader. Today, we'll be doing news trading because the important data is going to be out. In fact, the market is waiting for that data. Okay, before we go off, let's start off. Okay, take note that day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade before with your broker and make your own independent decisions before you put in your trades. Okay, and with that, I think we'll go into the signals. Okay, what we want you to do is, okay, we are going to do in a different way, meaning we are going to uh, diversify our risk. Okay, we have given, okay, let's see the data first, then maybe we will talk on this. Okay, the data tonight that is going to be out is 2030, which is another 30 minutes. We are going to get a core CPI, okay, which is market is expecting, forecast is zero point 0.2. Previous was 0.3, so that means the market is expecting slightly better level. But of course, anything higher, okay, we will see the dollar strength. Anything lower, we might see the dollar weakness. And if it's unchanged, then we may not see any big movement, but we may have to go on a particular direction. Okay, then the CPI is forecast is zero point 0.1, and previous was 0.2. Okay, so that is also market is expecting slightly lower levels. Okay, again it's the same thing. If the data is good, then we might see dollar strength. If data is bad, then we might see dollar weakness or pullback. Then finally, we have a CPI year on year. That is previous was 2.5, market is 2.3. So I think that one shouldn't impact the market much, because the more important is the core CPI and month on month, and CPI month on month, the nearer figure, which is the figure that is going to have an impact. Then we have one more is unemployment claims. Okay, that is also previous was 225, forecast is 231. That means market is expecting more unemployment. But again, last Friday, I think this non-farm payroll came outstanding figure. Okay, so on that note, I know I'm not sure whether we will be getting any better figures than 231. Okay, so that is the thing we have to take note. Okay, now we are going into live trading. Okay, live trading, news trading. So what we have done is, okay, we are going to do diversify our risk and have a proper trading plan. Okay, and this is what we need you to do, and also strictly follow the instructions, especially, we don't want to have any mishap, or losing money unnecessarily. Okay, there's two things. We are expecting, okay, let's say we go on slowly. Okay, if the data is bad, okay, we may see the euro strengthening, and we will be trying to sell at 109.85. And if the data is good, then we may see the dollar strength, and we may see the price spike down, and we will try to buy at these levels. Okay, the same thing for the pound. If the data is bad, we should be trying to sell at 131.35, and if the data is good, then we may see the price spike down, then we may see we try to buy at 130. Same thing for dollar yen.
Okay, data good, spike down. Okay, spike down to 148.35. We try to buy and we try to exit. Same thing. If the data is bad, sorry, the other way around. If the data is bad, we should see the dollar yen spike down to 148.35. If the data is good, then we may see a spike up towards 15015. Same thing for gold. Gold data good, we might see a spike down. In fact, we would see, in fact, all these levels we are given is very far levels, okay, and chances are it may not get filled straight away. Okay, so it may not get filled straight away, but it all depends on the data. If the data is exceptionally good or exceptionally bad, then we may get all these orders filled. Okay, so what I want to do is try to key in all these orders, so then we would see. So what we are going to do is, okay, we are going to prepare ourselves, okay, for this four currencies, either good or bad. Okay, we have put in an extreme levels and we'll try to trade on the extreme levels. Then what we are going to do is we are going to concentrate on three other crosses. Okay, that would be after the announcement. Okay, after the announcement. So I'll tell you what is to be expected and I'll tell you what to do. Then we will try to trade during that time and we'll see how it's come about, right? So that one I'll just explain to you. Okay, so now first instant is I want you to take a screenshot, try to key in these levels and try to wait for the data announcement. But once the data is out, then I would tell you what to do. That means basically we may want to adjust these levels and concentrate on this four, or we may do another additional 2 or 3 crosses which we will just be concentrating, and when this order is filled, then we take control, then we come back to this. Okay, so that I'll give you what to do, right? So you take that screenshot and you try to put in expiry is half an hour. Okay, and whatever we are going to do, okay, this trade is we are not going to hold this trade for more than half an hour or 1 hour. That means the most is by so-called within half an hour, 1 hour, we should be exiting. Okay, so now the next thing what we want to do is, so we would be concentrating on 3 other crosses. Okay, we will concentrate on dollar Swiss, Aussie dollar and dollar CAD. So again, I'm going to tell you what to do, and your response should be very fast. Okay, especially don't hesitate to take a trade. Then whatever the stop loss, I'll tell you, the entry and TP I'll give you, then you can straight away hit the market and we should be trading this. Okay, so now we start because we only have another 20 minutes left, so let's do with US Swiss franc. Okay, if you look at the Swiss franc chart, okay, looking at this Swiss franc chart, okay, if the data is good, okay, we should be getting a breakout and we should be break this level, and the target should be 86.95, 86.55. Okay, 86.95 and 86.55. So the target I have given, that is if the data is exceptionally good and if you see the price breaking this level. Okay, so here what we can do is, since this is giving a good so-called price target, so probably we may want to uh, put, I don't know whether the stop buy is going to help us, because if we put a stop buy, sometimes we get a very bad feel, and we got to be very careful on this. So now what we can do is okay, if the data is super good and if this level breaks, okay, what I want you to do is straight away hit the market, go for a buy. Okay, go for a buy on this. Okay, and we must hold this trade only for 15 minutes, and we should exit at 55, 65 or 90, any one of these three levels. Okay, and the stop, okay, the stop straight away, once you break this, okay, the stop we got to put somewhere below 85, 90. Okay, so that means what I'm trying to tell you is we got to buy close to 86.10. Okay, I 86 sorry, 86.15 is the level, so 86.20, you use that as a benchmark, so that means once you see the price breaking 86.20, okay, you hit the market, go for a buy and put a stop at 85.90, and TP should be towards 86.60 or 90. But when I say hit the market, okay, don't do when the price is trading at 86.55. So you try to do it at a lower, close to 86.20. That should be your level of entry. Then on the other hand, if let's assume the data is bad, then we may get a spike down. Okay, we may get a spike down, and the market, we should be exiting before 85.35. So whatever we can get, okay, we will try to get. Again, this one is your benchmark is below 85.80. Okay, let me get it to the system. Yeah, 85.80. So once the moment once the data is out, if the data is bad, okay, again when I say bad means anything it should be in red, then we consider it's bad. If it's green, then the data is good. Then of course if the number is beyond expectation, then it might be even better. So now I repeat, first one is we should be, if the data is good, okay, we should be trying to buy dollar Swiss. Okay, try to buy dollar Swiss. Okay, I better write it down. Dollar Swiss. Okay, we'll try to buy at nearer to 86.20, nearer. So that means once you see spike, if they see the price 20, 25, straight away you hit the market. Then you put a stop at 85.90. Then your TP, we will wait, give 15 minutes. Then if try to exit at 86.60 or 85. If you don't get it, okay, don't force yourself. Okay, don't force yourself. Then it's okay, let it be. Then I'll tell you, maybe I'll give you a level, then you can wait for some pullback, then we can go for a buy. It's okay, but don't force yourself, don't get stressed, and we just want to enjoy and relax, and you trade the game as it is. Okay, the second thing is, if the data is bad, we try to sell near 85.80. Near, that's the word I'm using, near 85.80. and your stop should be 86.10. Okay, so we risk about 30 pips. Okay, then your TP you got to exit before 85.35. Okay, 85.35 before you exit, but whatever is it, 15 minutes, you just give 15 minutes, then we would see well, either side, whatever the order get filled, then we go for that trade. Okay, so this is for dollar Swiss. Then we look for Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. Okay, if the data is good, okay, if the data is good, we expect the Aussie dollar to go down. Okay, go down, and the target I'm giving you is 66.50. So we got to exit before 66.50. Okay, or 66.70. So these are two exit points. Okay, I've given you two exit points, 66.80 and 66.70. Okay, so these are the two exit points. So again, try to enter near. Okay, the level is 67. Okay, near the level, anywhere near 67, we should be. Maybe if you see 66.90, go for a sell. Okay, 66.90 or 67, we go for a sell. And this one, we got to put a stop at 67.30. Okay, 67.30 stop, entry near 67, TP near 66.60 or 50. Okay, so this is the, if the data is good. If the data is bad, then we may see the spike up and we should see the price moving towards 67.50 or 67.60. Okay, so on this note, okay, Aussie dollar, okay, we don't want to trade. If the data is bad, then we don't want to go for a stop buy, but we would rather go for a sell. Okay, sell at 67.60. Okay, so I repeat, dollar Swiss, we are going to have a two-way game play. Okay, Aussie dollar, we are going to sell at 67.60. So what we can do is we can put in that order. Okay, since this is a sell order, okay, we can put in that order, so we don't have to stress on that. So we will only have our focus on okay, let me change the screen. Okay, I think you already have the screen. Okay, 67 55, okay, 55, 85 and 66 70. Okay, so this one is, we will try to put in a sell order. So here we don't go for a buy stop. We don't go for a buy stop. Only if the market breaks, then we go for a sell. Okay, so this is the second cross which we will be concentrating. Okay, the third cross, okay, we will be looking for dollar CAD. Okay, if the market is, you see, this is already such a long day up. Okay, so what we would be doing is, again, this one, if the data is good, okay, we will try to sell. Okay, sell at 37.95. Okay, 95. Okay, or 137.90. Maybe we put it just 90. Okay, 137.90. Okay, stop at 20 and TP at 40. Okay, so these two additional orders which we are given, so you don't have to monitor, not say monitor, no, don't have to panic. So the next thing is, if the data is bad, okay, if the data is bad, then we expect this Canadian dollars to come down. Okay, let me change the screen. Okay, so here what we expect is we should be seeing the price towards 3705 or even lower to 3680 and max 3650. So the target is 3680 and 3660. Okay, so these are the two levels. Okay, this one, the benchmark level, what I need you to do is, okay, let me give you the level. Okay, the break of 3730. Okay, so that means once it breaks 3730, we go for a sell. Okay, sell, and the stop, you should be selling near 3730. So you sell near 3730, stop at 3760 and TP at 3680. Okay, I repeat, so selling at 3730, stop at 3760, TP at 3680. So this is the thing. So now what we are going to do is we are only going to do three things. Okay, I repeat, the rest of the signals we are already there. Okay, the whole three things. One is, if the data is bad, we should be selling dollar CAD near 137.30. Okay, then if the data is good, okay, then we will be concentrating on Aussie, sell Aussie. Okay, so that means see, if the data is bad, we concentrate on dollar CAD. If the data is good, we concentrate on Aussie dollar. Okay, then again, if the data is good and bad, sorry, then we should be concentrating. Okay, bad. Okay, bad. Bad. If bad, then concentrating on dollar Swiss as well. Okay, so I repeat, data bad, we concentrate on Swiss franc, dollar Swiss and dollar CAD. That means go for a sell for both. Okay, if the data is good, then we concentrate on Aussie dollar only. So these are the simple thing we got to do. So this means bad we concentrate on two, good we concentrate on only Aussie. Then the rest we let it work. Okay, let it work. We don't have to get stressed or tense up. Then we see after the announcement, after the data is out, then I'll tell you what to do. So that will be the next phase 2, which is I'll tell you what to do and how we can trade. Okay, so are you all prepared? Okay, are you all prepared to do this? Okay, I repeat again, data bad, concentrate on dollar Swiss and dollar CAD, and we have keyed in all the other orders. All the orders, let it work, let's see how this thing. Then later we'll do the adjustment. Whichever way we get it, then we'll see whether we will see in our favor. Okay, so data bad, sell dollar Swiss, sell dollar CAD. Data good, sell Aussie dollar. Okay, so when the data is out, okay, what I will be telling is I will tell you, okay, we have 5 minutes countdown. So I'll tell you, sell the dollar. Okay, that means you should be selling dollar CAD and dollar Swiss. Okay, I'll tell you, if I say buy the dollar, then you should be selling Aussie dollar. Okay, so this is what is expected you to do. Let's see what the data is coming out, then we will see. Then of course we have other four orders, so then later once the data is out, then we will study, then we will adjust the levels, then we will do it in a very calm way, so we don't have to do this. Okay, so I hope you all are prepared and this is something, of course this would be a bit excitement, and try not to uh, hit the market if you feel that it's beyond that levels. Remember Aussie, we should be trying to sell near 67. Dollar Swiss, we should be trying to sell near 85, 80. So anything, that means if you see 85, 70, you can still go for a sell. Then dollar cat, we should be trying to sell at 30, 37, 30, 30 or 20. Okay, still we can take it. Okay, so good luck to you, and we see what is the data. Okay, another thing also you must take note that sometimes before we get the news, we see the news, the market will start to respond. Okay, that is a way you can see that, okay, whether the data is good or bad. Okay, because sometimes this is delayed, because it just happens, fraction of a second. We got to get ourselves we got to be very careful on this. Okay, so let's try to do this, then let's see how the other thing works. Okay, so dollar Swiss is trying to break. Okay, so let's see, we have 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Okay, 1 minute, 50 seconds left. Okay, get yourself prepared. Okay, again I repeat, dollar, sorry, the thing, if you see green, okay, of course, if the market doesn't move, then we will do it slowly. Okay, no hurry. Okay, so okay, we have 1 minute, 30 minutes left. Okay, let's see how we can trade this. Okay, 1 minute more left. Okay, 1 minute more left. Okay, I hope you all are prepared. 50 seconds. Okay. Okay, good luck to you guys. Just see how the data comes out, then we see how we can play this trade. Okay, you have 30 seconds left. Okay, 30 seconds left. Okay, I think the market is expecting. I'm not sure. Maybe. Uh, okay, 15 seconds. I repeat, dollar strength means we should buy the dollar, and okay, I think the data is good. Okay, the data is good, and the data is already broke. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have seen. Hold on. Yeah. So the CPI is month on month is 0.3 and 0.2, and only the unemployment claims is bad. Okay, so we have all the other way around. So we have like unemployment is weak, then we see. Okay, let's see whether any trades got filled. Okay, let's see. Okay, if you notice, the data is good and market is moving in the opposite direction, So that means, that means, like, see, the data is good, but dollar weakness has come. That means gold is going up, dollar yen is strengthening, dollar Swiss is off. So we are getting the other way around. It's supposed to be selling, and the market is responding to the other way. Okay, so now what we will be doing is, okay, we will try to trade the market. Okay, try to trade the market, and we will see what opportunity we have. Okay, now I think with dollar cat, okay, remember we wanted to sell. Okay, dollar yen also, I think we can go for a sell. Okay, now what we will do is we will try to sell the dollar yen. Okay, we will see. I think we have a buy at 48.35. Okay, I think the one we can lower it lower. Okay, let's see whether the order is getting filled. Okay, uh, okay, let's see. We should see the turning happening soon. Okay, actually, we can. I think we can go for a buy on the dollar yen. Okay, let's see. Just give some more time. Then we will see. Okay, can we try? Just a minute. Actually, we can try to sell gold. Okay, try to sell gold at 22 half. Okay, 22 half. Then we can try to sell pound at 30.80. Okay, try to sell this this pound at 30.80. Try to sell gold. Try to sell the euro dollar. Okay, this three. Try to sell gold. Try to sell euro dollar and pound. I think you can just uh, hit the market, or try to sell near the level. Okay. So euro dollar, okay, euro dollar we want to sell, we want to sell at 40. Okay, the one I think I've already entered market. So the same thing, we'll try to sell this. Okay, pound is filled on my side. Okay, then try to buy dollar yen. Okay, we try to buy dollar yen. Okay, this three the thing is enough. Try to buy dollar yen and okay, we are holding these three trades, gold, euro, dollar yen. Dollar yen, try to buy at 60 or better. Okay, just I think you can just see, you can hit the market, no need to uh, wait. Okay, so we are holding four trades, four trades. Okay, I've done gold and okay, gold also I think I've entered at market and failed. Okay, I've sold at 22 half. Okay, gold we'll put a very low target, just see whether we can get that level. Okay, dollar yen, I think my order is also filled and euro order is filled, just because my system is a bit slow on this update. Okay, so we have gold and all this four order is filled, around that order I've given. Okay, so the dollar cat actually the dollar cat was a buy, but I think I don't want to go into that. Okay, so okay, let's see Aussie. Okay, Aussie also I think we missed it, but it's okay. I think we just managed this four. Okay, this four. Then okay, dollar yen we are making money, euro we are making money, Aussie all I think we are making money. I'm also into the trade. All we are making money. Okay, so what we will do is, okay, let's I'll just give you what to do. Okay, so we have taken 4 trades. Okay, all are making money so far. So far, so good. We'll just see whether the break happens. Break happens. Just have to wait for another 4 more minutes. Okay, 4 more minutes. Then, if the market is really coming down, then I would say we would be pretty safe. Okay, so we have another 4 more minutes, to see. Okay, I'll show the chart. Okay, so in the 4 more minutes, if the euro can come lower, okay, if the euro can come lower, then I think we would be on the safe zone. Okay, we'll be on the safe zone. And gold, okay, we wanted to sell at 23. Okay, early on we wanted to sell at 23, but I gave a very high level. Okay, let's see. So we have 3 more minutes for this thing to finish. So then at least we can get a rough idea. Right now I think it's moving zigzag. Okay. So what I want you to do is, okay, I think we'll try to reduce the stop. Okay, reduce the stop. Okay, euro I've reduced. Pound I reduced to 85. Okay, dollar yen. Actually, the dollar yen, the order 48.35 would have filled, because I think we got the price at 48.25. Okay, I never realized. Okay, this 48.35 was filled. Okay, but anyway, it's okay. We already changed the signal. Then it's okay. Okay, gold is the only one I think it's not doing that good, but the others all should be still. But we have not wait for the turn. Okay, we still have 1 more minute. Then we can get some indication. Okay, some indication to see how we can expect. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to revise all the stop loss. Okay, so at least we'll just have a risk control on this. My stop loss, I want to put it as 30.85 for the pound. Okay, euro stop loss, I want to put at 55. Sorry, 79, lower it to 55. system says automatically, just now it was.
down, so it says it's automatically is revised.
So it will close, now it will close once the price moves
Moves up. So this is the automatic system. Okay, gold is moving up. I think gold will get stopped out. Okay,
So then the dollar yen
also I think is raised to cost automatic. Okay, so we'll just see how this thing comes about. Then if we get stopped out, then I think dollar yen is already moving to cost. Okay, it's already moving to cost. Okay, only the euro and the pound is moving around that level. Okay, so looks like we still haven't turned on the uh, gold and dollar yen. Okay, what we can do is,
okay, in the event, let's say this has got stopped out, okay, then
we will try to get into the next
level. Okay, next level, I don't think we have any order left. Okay, so what I will do is, okay, another
half an hour later. Okay, another half an hour later, I'll try to generate the signals. Okay, for the thing. In the event if it gets stopped out,
then we will try to re-enter again.
okay, with another level. Okay, so that would be another option which we can look into. Okay, so
With that, I think I'll just end the session, and
good luck to you. See how your trade comes in. Okay, let it work, and
I think gold is moving up again. Okay, so I think
we got stopped out on the gold. So let's see how this
other currencies comes about. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Good night, and see you again tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow at 1600 hours. Okay, then we'll see what is the outcome of this. Then we'll see. Okay.